Alright, let's take a look at this question here. Two different students getting two different scores on two different tests where you have mean and standard deviation data, and you want to know, how do you compare those scores? And really what this question is asking for is what percentile do they fall into? And that's a piece of cake using the methods we've already shown in other videos and screenshot PDFs. But let's go ahead and get at it here. And so in Minitab, we can really just produce two graphs. Probably the most efficient way to do this. So let's take this German test where the mean was 66, standard deviation was 8, and we'd like to know the probability, which will give you a percentile, and we can make it a right tail. Makes sense because this person's score was above the mean. It was 82, so we'll go ahead and do a right tail version of that. And so that is in the basically the 98th percentile. And if we do this again for the other test, just change the data. Mean was 27, standard deviation was 5, and this person, we'll leave it in a right tail, got a 35. And so you have these two plots here. Where one student is in the 98th percentile and the other one's in the 95th or 6th percentile roughly, or 94th percentile rather. So let's come over to StatCrunch and do the same stuff, the normal calculator, and just a standard curve here, 66, 8, probability that it's greater than, the score was 82, and again you get that same answer as before. So we bring up the other calculator here for this other one. The mean was 27, standard deviation was 5. We want the greater than a 35 score, and we get the same answer as before. So you can see that this person's percentile, the line in the sand that they're standing on, is farther to the right. So the German test taker had a better performance than the French test taker.